That idea alone challenges everything society teaches us. We're told that having lots of friends means you're happy, successful, and normal. But psychology tells a very different story. Many people who have no friends aren't broken or antisocial. Their brains simply work differently. They don't thrive in noise or shallow interaction. They look for meaning, depth, and real connection. And when that's missing, being alone feels better than forcing something fake. These individuals usually have higher standards for connection. They're not avoiding relationships, they're avoiding surface level ones. Small talk, forced laughter, and energy-draining personalities leave them feeling empty. So instead of settling for shallow bonds, they choose solitude until something real comes along. Psychology also shows that some people have more socially sensitive nervous systems. Social interaction burns more mental energy for them than it does for others. After spending time with people, they need longer periods of quiet to recover. This doesn't mean they dislike others. It simply means their brain needs space to reset. People with few or no friends are often more self-sufficient than average. They don't rely on constant social validation to feel secure. They can entertain themselves, solve problems on their own, and find comfort in their own thoughts. Psychology refers to this as low social dependency, and it's a strength, not a flaw. For many, past experiences also shape their trust. Betrayal, emotional neglect, or years spent around the wrong people can make the brain more protective. Once trust is broken, the mind becomes selective. These people don't shut others out. They just think carefully before letting anyone in. Spending long periods alone often builds a deeper inner world. Psychologists note that solitude can increase self-awareness, imagination, intuition, and emotional clarity. These individuals observe more, think more, and feel more. Because of that depth, ordinary social circles can feel unrelatable or shallow. So if you have no friends, or only a few, it doesn't automatically mean something is wrong with you. It may simply mean your mind operates with more awareness, more sensitivity, and higher standards for connection. Sometimes the strongest minds walk alone, not because they're lost, but because they refuse to live shallow lives. If this resonated with you, make sure to like this video. And if you want more psychology content that explains your personality in ways school never did, subscribe now, because the next video might reveal something about yourself you've never realized.